Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Karthik. In today's video, we are going to dive into the basics of GenAI and explore the key elements required to understand it. For many of us, GenAI seems like a black box. So let's uncover what's inside that black box and break it down together. Before that, please subscribe to my channel. In today's topic, we are going to cover GenAI foundational tools and frameworks and GPUs and CPUs. Let's start with the AI toolkit. First up, compute power. This is crucial for running complex AI models. You will often rely on GPUs or TPUs, which give the performance boost you need for fast training and processing. Next, we have the tools you will use to write and run your code. Python is the go-to language for AI and ML. And if you are working on projects, Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab are great platform for interactive coding and experimentation. Lastly, to get the most out of your hardware, CUDA is essential. It's a parallel computing platform that allows you to run operations on GPUs, speeding up computation significantly. So, with these tools, you are all set to dive into the world of AI and ML. Alright, let's move on to some popular AI and ML frameworks that make building and training models so much easier. First up, we have got Scikit-learn. This is one of the most widely used libraries for machine learning in Python. It's perfect for beginners and experts alike, with the tools for data pre-processing, model selection, and evaluation. Next, we have PyTorch. This framework is all about flexibility and speed, making it a favorite for deep learning tasks. It's particularly popular in research and academia due to its dynamic nature, allowing you to build and experiment with the complex models more easily. Then there is TensorFlow, another powerful deep learning framework developed by Google. It's known for its scalability and is widely used for production environment for building large scale models. And of course, we can't forget R and R Studio. While Python is dominant, R remains a strong contender, especially for statistical analysis and visualizing data. R Studio, the integrated development environment for R, makes it super easy to work with the data sets and create models. So whether you are beginner or pro, all these things will cover for our AI and ML needs. Now let's talk about some powerful platform service that can take your AI and ML project to the next level. First up, AWS SageMaker. This is Amazon's fully managed platform that makes it easy to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. Whether you are just starting out or working on large enterprise project, SageMaker has all the tools you need to speed up development. Next, we got LM Studio. This platform is perfect for building and deploying large language models. With its user-friendly interface, it's allow you to fine-tune models and experiment without worrying too much about infrastructure. Then there is Olama. It's a cutting-edge platform for creating, fine-tuning, and deploying LLMs. If you are looking for a way to work with AI models like ChatGPT, Olama is definitely worth checking out. Finally, we have Hugging Face. If you are into natural language processing, Hugging Face is the go-to platform. It's an open source hub that hosts thousands of pre-trained models, and it's also provide tools for training and deploying your own models quickly. So whether you are building from scratch or need a platform to simplify deployment, then these tools are the right choice. Next, now let's deep dive into some application services that are changing the way we use AI in real world scenarios. First up, we have got sentiment analysis. This is all about understanding the emotions behind text. Whether it's analyzing customer reviews or social media posts, sentiment analysis help businesses to know about public opinion and customer satisfaction. Next, there is image recognition. AI models are now incredibly good at identifying object, face, and even complex scenes within images. This is being used everywhere from security system to social media apps and even in healthcare for detecting diseases in medical images. Then we have speech recognition. With tools like voice assistants, AI can convert spoken language into text. This tech powerful everything from transcription services to voice control devices, making our life much easier. And last but not least, GenAI chatbots. These are AI driven chatbots that use generative models like GPT to carry on dynamic and realistic conversation. They are transforming customer support, virtual assistants, and even personal projects. So, whether you are working on text, image, or voice, these application services are making it all possible. Next, let's talk about Python, the go to programming language for AI and ML. First off, Python is known for being easy to use. Its simple syntax makes it accessible for beginners while still powerful enough for advanced programmers. One of the biggest reasons Python is so popular is because of its vast collection of libraries and frameworks. From NumPy for numerical computing to TensorFlow and PyTorch for deep learning, you have all got an entire toolbox ready to use. These libraries saves tons of times and help us to build AI and ML models without reinventing the wheel. Python also offers amazing flexibility with datasets. It can handle all kinds of data from structured to unstructured text and images. And when it comes to data science visualization, Python has covered with libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly. So, with these insight charts and graphs to better understand our data and communicate our findings. So, whether we are going to analyze data, training models, or visualize cells, Python is the ultimate tool to make it happen. Two major platforms for Python are Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab. Jupyter Notebook platform is a favorite among data scientists and researchers. So if you want a cloud-based option, then Google Colab is the best one. So it gives you free access to GPUs and TPUs for faster computations. Some of the powerful AI and ML frameworks that often we come across while working on machine learning projects are neural network, random forest, clustering, XGBoost, regression, PCA. So whether we are working with the neural networks or random forest, clustering or regression, these frameworks are essential tools for building powerful AI and ML models. As you know, AI and ML offer requires heavy lifting in terms of computation, and that's where GPU comes into play. Unlike regular CPUs, GPUs are designed to handle massive parallel processing tasks, making them perfect to train complex models quickly. So, when we are talking about regression and classification, these are the fundamental machine learning tasks. While dealing with large data sets or complex models, GPU can speed up the training process significantly. Then, with the unsupervised learning, GPU can handle the vast amount of data and calculation needed to identify the pattern. So, in neural network, for training the deep learning models, GPU provides the necessary processing power or train large and deep networks. So, if you are working on AI and ML projects, having GPU is pretty much a must to have and heavy lifting and speed up our work. Next, let's talk about GPU programming. CUDA stands for Compute Unified Device Architecture. It's a programming model created by NVIDIA, and developers use GPU for general processing computing. Essentially, CUDA allows you to harness the power of GPUs for tasks beyond graphics, like machine learning, data processing, and scientific computing. In short, CUDA makes it possible to unlock the full potential of GPUs for more than just gaming or rendering. It's a game changer for AI and ML development. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.